and have those discussions. And it does allow teachers more flexibility in reaping their just rewards. But most importantly, it improves the educational experience of our students. And I think that's the bar that we should set and we should strive for. And so I hope as we take this amendment section by section and look at it, that we see how the words in the amendment leads us to these goals that I've just outlined. And I appreciate the motion and the second on the amendment. And if at this time, if Ms. James, the attorney for this committee, could kind of walk us through the sections, that's what I would desire.
Okay, but before we do that, Representative Nafee, did you want to speak before the amendment or just? Okay. Later, it's you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I heard those remarks and frankly won't respond to them now. But I would ask, is it not the general consensus of this committee? I've only seen this amendment probably an hour. I've not had a chance to read through it. I was expecting that we were going on the bill as it's printed in our calendar and has been on the calendar. So I would assume that we would have an explanation of the amendment so that we all can understand it, and then we would roll this bill and for the customary week so that we would have the opportunity to have some time to consider it and then act on it next week. I think that's the standard procedure in this House. So I would assume that we were following that.
Well, Chairman Montgomery.
Thank you, and I appreciate you bringing that up because basically what we want to do here today is we want to cover this from top to bottom. We've got till 8 or 9 o'clock. We need it tonight to make sure everybody knows everything that's in this amendment. And we need, I think we need to cover it all. We need to know everything that's in here, top to bottom, have discussion, as much discussion as we want. But at the end of the day, I think we would like to put this bill to the full committee because we'll have plenty of discussion at the full committee also. So we've got another opportunity in the full committee to talk more about this piece of legislation. But today, we can talk as long as we want to and discuss it and know everything